Opa! Oh, oh my God!
Only that Maria has been cooking these recipes for more than 38 years, so she won't be measuring really anything. It just really does it. So enjoy yourselves, and then we'll send you everything with grams if you decide to do any of the recipes at home. As I said, this is the main building which did exist in the 1953 when it's been built in late 52. Obviously, windows, as you can see, has been changed. This is like 20 years old because they were wooden, so we couldn't keep them. The roof as well, you can see that it was a bit shorter, but it fell down, so we remake it. But everything else is the actual one, so it's rock by rock built it in the past. Now, looking at these pots, which you probably have seen before, if you've been especially to Lindos or any small villages, they have been used to store liquids such as wine and olive oil in the past. So this bit was the actual one which really did exist in the past. Let's say a family of 4 used to be staying here. So people used to store meat, cheese, and all kind of foods for the next 2 days after they cook them. And also the window was next to it to get some fresh air and some sunlight. So everything is being built and placed where it is for a reason and not just for decoration purposes. Some of the herbs that we're going to be trying and we're going to be giving you as well, one of the most popular on the island is the mountain tea, which belongs to the sage family. It grows rapidly around the island, mostly in rocky high hills. And you can use it obviously for herbal tea. In the past, it used to be used as a medicine. Hold on, let me get some more. And also the boots, which if you're thinking why they should wear boots in 45 degrees while working and harvesting trees, is that Rhodes, before it got its name Rhodes, it used to be called the Snake Island.
Oh, right.
We never had any poisonous snakes. And obviously you won't be able to find any snakes even if you want to at the moment. There are probably only a few. But 200 years back, it was a lot of snakes. So we're going to go in the garden and then we're going to be seated. Due to the fact that we don't have water, we cannot keep a lot of produce here. But we do have the lettuces, which you can fill. You can also cut some. Let me bring a basket so we can take some for the salad. You're in charge of the garden now. With Michalis.
Okay.
So lettuces, obviously you've seen we put the wine leaves for to avoid the sun, but it's also the ones that we use for the wine leaves, dolmades, if you've tried them before. These are not the spicy ones. Τα 4, πόσα γραμμίδια?
Δώσε τους ένα του καθενός εκεί.
So, you ready to do some work? Yes. Take a seat. This we use the leg pork. So it's soft, but you can use any meat up to preferences.
Okay, I was just afraid
From
it
lard.
might be rabbit, so...
No. Rabbit you can do it, but we avoid using it because some people are not used to eat rabbit. So this is a pork's leg, which is one part of the pork, which makes it really soft. Thank you.
Thank you.
Big one.
Big.
Sorry guys, ladies first. To put the meat off. So the meat basically is getting crusty on the outside bit because we have the fire in really high temperature. Then we put the wine to put it off, and then basically it's going to be slow cooking. Okay. And before we place it in the traditional wooden oven, we're also going to add water to cover it so it can be cooked. With this recipe, you don't need to, because all the juices are going to come out, so water is enough.
So that one is
the
eggplant,
imam.
onions, garlic.
Garlic, olive oil, of course. One.
Okay.
Up to preference, you can use a spicy one if you like spices.
Pepper.
Pepper. Minced meat, which it needs to be thick minced. We use beef. You can use 70-30, 70 beef, 30 pork. Parsley. We're gonna make a nice mixture, also dill.
Πες, πάντα το ξύσω εγώ για να τελειώνουμε. Salt. Did she say?
Of this size of a pot, you will need around 45 minutes.
Okay.
That's it. All we do is we collect them and we freeze them. We collect huge amounts. We collect 20-30 kilos of wine leaves. People in the past, when there were no fridges, people used to hang them in the ropes, so they used to dry out. And then before using them, they used to reboil them for another 20 seconds. They used to come back to life.
There is nothing like you and I.
Half. It's open. No. Open. Long.
Good one.
Thank you.
You're showing off
No.
because you know how to do it.
No.
Too much.
Perfect.
No, that's way too much.
Yes.
The begin.
Maybe you should leave your restaurant. Stay here with us in the cooking classes.
Okay, I'll do the cooking classes. Maria can teach me.
And very strong, eh?
Not a lot.
Bravo. 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 I love you. The best. Bravo.
Sunset behind your head makes me feel bad, and just as they all said, tonight my body's cold but my heart's on fire. This time it is worth something to survive when all is over.
When all the water is being absorbed, we're gonna add some olive oil and it's gonna start frying. And on purpose, we're gonna burn the bottom so it's nice and crusty. And then you're gonna come up one by one and drop some egg yolks on top, which we're not gonna mix them too much, as we need the egg yolks to be nice and juicy on top and crushed at the bottom, so we can dip the bread in later on. Very good recipe for brunch, especially.
Nice.
Nice.
Even if something and even if something goes wrong with this recipe, you end up with scrambled eggs.
Okay. I like it.
All is over. All
Bravo, Marco. Bravo.
And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, we had a friend over in Austria during winter and she was sick. We made her tea, poured a little bit of that, and she was healthy next day.
Bravo.
Okay, when we go home, we'll drink it and cheers it to you.
Yeah.
It's Uzo.
Suma. Oh, you know Uzo.
Rocky.
Rocky?
Like Rocky, yes.
Rocky,
Same
okay.
way of making, yes. Uzo is a, we have also Uzo, if you like.
But this is Rocky.
άμα πάμε στον Καναδά,
It's called Suma here.
θα τους κάνουμε και ούζο.
Raki in Crete and also Turkey is called Raki.
Ah, so that's the thing. It has done as it is here.
Yes, us. Yes, us. Yes, us from Canada. Hello from Netherlands. Ciao Ping από Japan. Yes, us from Spanish. Michaelis, ευχαριστώ πολύ.
From Africa.
From Africa. De Afrique, λέει.
From Africa.
Γεια μας. Να σταρόβιε.
Έλα Μάρκο. Μάρκο. Μπράβο.
Marco is doing everything. Driving, videotaping, drinking. I think he has a recipe for you. Different one here.
Okay.
Εκτός πέρα από το
Besides tomato, you can do instead onions
Oh yeah, that would be good.
with eggs.
onion.
Yeah.
Not so popular. If you like onions, you can try.
Thank you.
No problem.
Some of you done the garlic already. The rest of you can do the cucumber. But cucumber will have to take turns.
Yes. It's strong. Strong.
It has done as it is here.
Έλα Πέτρο, πάμε. Μπράβο.
Ούλη στο ίδιο μέρος. Κάτω θα ρίξω
Μπράβο.
και παρατσί. Την κάμερα
No, no, I'm not
δεν
good.
Έλα λίγο που κάθεται.
έκαμε εκεί.
Someone has to do it.
Μπράβο. Open. Μπράβο.
Great.
Πολύ ωραία.
Με πάθος το έκαμε.
Έλα Άμστερνταμ, έλα. Έλα Άμστερνταμ. 2 minutes more.
Not mix that much. Yes, and as you break it.
Όπα. Oh my God.
I have never seen this. And I travel a lot, but I've never seen this.
Όπα. Oh my God. My God.
I'll find her. No? Or maybe here for Martha. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Very good.
Good.
When all is over.
Bon appetit.
So good. Who made it? I think I made that one. I'm sure it was.